today's video. British. Ang British citizen namin nakasama. Sige na oh. Kuha na mo guys. Man gina fork and spoon ang pizza, diba? Uy. Sarap.
Anong laman yan? Cheese lang?
Kaka-tomato.
Ororot. Goodbye, Philippines. Palit ako gani pa doon. Papalit. Sinagkalubat ang cellphone.
Pero nadala ka power bank.
Oo nga, namas Jonah. May power bank si Jonah. Di ba, friend?
Hirap maghanap ng tugtog, ha? Baka mainit pa naman masyado, besh.
Diba?
Sarap.
Mainit, uy.
Pero masarap. Cheers. I eat.
Kaya dapat na dilainin.
4:13 in Regency. Let's see. Okay. Ay, nice. Pasok na, diba? Wow! Come, guys. Hindi pa ready ang room nila. Ay, nice.
Nakuha sa kanya.
A simple.
Dito ka na matulog, Jonah.
Wali water. Let me see the view. Ay, car park. Pero at least. So, too big for one again. Thank you, Lord.
I don't want to go on film. They're from Newcastle. I thought
This
they were
one?
from Wales. They're looking at me now because I insulted them saying I'm from Wales. But yeah, it was
Big group for one.
Jodie, I think you are.
So, I'll show you that one.
So it snaps her eye, my baguette looks quite
The
nice.
toilet is decent. We use it already. Not bad. Yeah,
Give this baguette a try. Looks a bit dry.
just what you need.
So I might put some mayonnaise on.
Then, this is my view. It's the back. It's not the pool.
I'm gonna put mayonnaise.
So, maybe
That baguette's really crusty.
it's fully booked in the other side. Then, 2 drawers or cabinets to place all your things. Nice. Not bad. So, solo for this big huge room.
So, you people from Midlands.
And we'll enjoy Portugal, Faro, Algarve,
Do
Albufeira.
I want any sandwich with?
Hindi mo siya nag-uumpisa. Antok na siya. At naka-dress lang naman siya. Wow. May event. We're waiting for our Uber. So, we're going to the marina. Kasi may cruise kami for tonight. Hindi naman obvious na night. Napaka-init. So, we're in Albufeira. Nice. So, ako ang videographer. Ako, videographer. We're gonna go in the marina to look for food first. Tapos, we're gonna go in a cruise. Very Ay! Kanya yun ang sunburn mo. Butas-butas. Ay, naku. Very nice. Marina, oh. Yan. So,
Yung lalaki kanina, na
We're in the marina with these lovely people. Char. Lovely. Oh, steakhouse. Hindi mag-seafood pero nag-steak. Ang laki, parang good for 3. No? Hello! Let's eat.
Ay,
Pinoy.
kaputang ina.
What?
At least naka-rice naman.
Dapat may ano siya. May kando.
Kandun.
Bisaya. May ano pa siya. Yung ganing ano niya, stem.
Bone.
Ah? Bone pala yan. Nice.
Sarap ba?
Hindi maangman.
Ang galing. Adobo sa atin. Parang ang tagal na natin hindi nakatikim.
Uy, pahingi akong konting rice mo. Green ba?
Pero oh.
Dito, oh.
Gusto mo siya dito.
Mm.
Ako kumakain nito, magtupos.
How to remove the langaw? How to dispose langaws?
Mga friendships, kumuha ka ng tentacles.
Ay!
O, di ba? Ang laki ng tentacle. Sana palirin ng mga hangin yung
Palirin.
yung langaw.
Bisaya yan. Ginawa lang yung Tagalog.
Para maintindihan mo.
Hindi rin.
Alambot. Totoong food. Yun lang masabi ko, totoong food.
So yummy.
Curry. Manghang. Not too much.
Walang anghang.
Seafood fish pala to.
Ito yun ang rice nila.
Ano yan, ano? Ito yung jasmine rice.
Ano to?
Portuguese chan.
Hindi. Masama. Hindi.
Oh, malaki yung girl.
Tawag ito? Long grain.
Sarap din yung curry nila.
Masarap yan. Wanna try a different one? The usual.
Ikaw, friend. Wala ka pang choice, friend.
Di ba naman siya tapo?
Gelato of Faro, Portugal.
Ice cream na muna sa gelato.
Ice cream really? But so good. Watch your step. Watch your step, guys. Nag-vlog. Very nice. Kasi nasa cruise kami.
1, 2, 3. Lapit naman ni Greta Jo. 1, 1, 2, 3. One more, 1, 2, 3.
chama a Gruta dos Pássaros.
Parang kukunin tayo. Parang may mansa sa loob. Andun.
Kainin mo si Jonah.
Kunin mo na to. As a
The
what?
legend says
Legend.
the couple who kisses
No, wala.
under or near this arch
Kiss daw.
will stay together forever.
I kiss
Esse
myself
arco,
for
esse lugar
now.
tem uma lenda. E a lenda diz... E se
Yeah,
vocês
there's a
olharem
beach
para
there.
trás da caverna,
See?
podem
You
ver
can
que
go
tem
there.
uma praia. Essa praia
Instagrammable.
é chamada Praia do Amor.
Very nice. Ay, pretty.
Daming cake sa
Looks like an elephant drinking water. Napaka-beauty. Oh, diba? Oh. Oh, pack na pack. Oh. Hi, elephant.
O melhor lugar no barco para ver a gruta é a parte de trás do barco.
Papasok na. Papasok po. Oh, masakit. Wow. Isn't it nice? Very nice. Ganda? Wow! Tiga!
Kaya ra. Ato na dito.
Ayan lang! Hoy, yung suso mo! Malalaglag! Laglag! Chug pa more! Viva hot babes! Adonis!
Mainit naman na. Ano? Mainit siya pag ganyan ka na.
Very nice activity!
Lobat na.
Hindi lang, recording siya. So, nice siya. So, mag-cruise mo for an hour, for 2 hours actually. Tapos, punta mo sa mga different caves, and then, you'll go here in this beach where you can have your drinks and your food. And with the live entertainment there. Diba? Very nice! So, only drinks, and I'm not sure about the food, but maybe it's only as well. Then we'll see what's in there. And yes, under the moonlight, sunset kanina. very nice. I remember this back home check. Nag-drama. Yeah, back home is like this. Island feels. Diba? Very nice. Francha!
Pero hindi. Tanggalin mo yung top mo. Magdamit ka na lang. Walang bra.
May dala din ako brush na pa.
Saan ka ba si Vicky? Doon sa tabi-tabi.
Diyan sa bush.
O, diyan ka sige.
Or dun sa bato. So, la-line up ka dito para mag-pasta, mag-sausage, mag-prawns, mag-fish, chips. Thank you. It's charging. Oh. Uy, hindi ka kumuha ng fork mo. Oh. Wow, chicken.
Chicken! Yeah.
Of course. Oh, her first. You forgot her.
Everything?
Can I have chicken and sausages? Yeah, and chips. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have the prawn, please?
Everything.
Not the fish. This one only. Can I have two? Thank you. Thank you.
No?
Huh?
Sorry, no?
No, thanks.
Bon appetit.
Ay, sana man lang makakita nyo yung kinakain namin. Napaka-blurry.
Flash! Lagyan ng flash!
Ito? Ay, ito pala. Ay, thank you, girl. Yan pala ang food. Wala, kumain na si Ado ng sardines, oh. Ito. Here we are. Napaka-sweet. Agardo Versosa. Good luck for tomorrow's activity. So, nasa taas kami. Hindi na masyado makita. Kasi it's 11 o'clock na pala. It was a good night. It was a good night. It's a good night.
Hey guys,